Hello children, welcome back to English class. In today's session, we'll be doing English 2 grammar, okay? That is your last chapter of your Sem 2 textbook, lesson 8, homophones. Okay, now what are homophones? Homophones are nothing but, see, you usually would have come across some words, right? Which always sound the same. But when you actually write the spelling of it, the spelling differs. And also, along with the spelling, even the meanings also differs, right? What kind of words are it? Now just like I said, right. Right. Okay? And there's also another right. How do you spell both? This is also you say right. So this also you say right. Correct? No? This is also right and this is also right. Okay? But what about the meaning? The meaning and the spelling is totally different. Okay? This right is about writing, right? And this right is about your right side, towards the right side. Okay? This shows about the side and this shows about the writing the script. Okay? So, see the words which sound the same, but this also you pronounce it as right and this also you pronounce it as right. Correct? No? So, the words which you pronounce the same, but its spelling and meaning is different. What is different? Spelling and meaning. Spelling and meaning is different. Okay? The spelling and meaning is different. But we spell both same way. This is also called as right and this is also called as right. Such words are called as homophones. Understood? Okay, the words, two words or words which you spell in the same way. Okay, you can hear them in the same way. But the spelling and also the meaning of those words are totally different. Okay? So you hear this right also right and this right also right. Now here, okay, example, we say here. Which year am I saying? You know which year I am talking about? H-E-A-R also you have here and H-E-R-E also you have here. See for this, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yes, last one, can you hear me? This is about the hearing. And this, come here. I'll call you now children, come here. So that is here. Here is this place. Okay? So this also. So here also, both the words I'm pronouncing it in the same way. Correct? No? But the spelling of the words and also the meaning of the word is totally different. Such words are called as homophones. Okay? I repeat, the spelling and meaning of the words are different, but you pronounce it in a same way. The pronunciation of the words are same. Only the pronunciation is same, but the spelling and meanings are different. Such words are called as homophones. Clear, children? Okay, you solve some of your textbook exercises. When we do that, you will get so many words, okay, which you will understand clearly. So all of you kindly open your textbook. Page number 73, homophones. Okay? See the first one. What is the first one? Wood. Okay, first one is wood. So what is the answer? W-O-O-D, wood. This wood is also same and that wood is also same. You pronounce it in a same way. You pronounce it in a same way. But the spellings are totally different, right? Now, coming to the second one. What is second one? Tow. T-O-W, tow. That means towing a vehicle. Okay, when your vehicle is repaired. Your father or any of the elders at home, they call for another vehicle to drag that vehicle and go. No, that is called as towing. Okay, so that is also tow, and the fingers in your feet, those are also called as tow. Okay. Next, fair. Fair. This fair is, what is this fair? This fair is, the fair is the exhibitions. The fair is whatever you see at home, no, near your place, outside. That is this fair. And F-A-R-E. What is F-A-R-E? Fair. F-A-R-E is the prize. You travel, right? when you travel through bus, train, auto, metro. Okay, when you travel, you have to pay some charges for it. That charges is called as fare. F-A-R-E, fare. Okay. Next, hair. This is your hair, right? H-A-I-R. What is this another one? H-A-R-E. H-A-R-E, hair is rabbit. Okay, rabbit is also called as hair. Next, P-L-A-I-N, plane. P-L-A-I-N is the plane, plane surface. Okay. P-L-N-E, plane, aeroplane. P-L-A-N-E. Next, know. K-N-O-W. You will ask me, do you know the answer? I know the answer. Okay, that no. And N-O, no. You say, if I ask something, do you want punishment? You will say, no ma'am. That no. N-O, no. Okay. Next, weight. W-E-I-G-H-T, weight. Weight is something what you carry. Okay, when it's heavy weights. Okay, and even the your vendor, your grocery vendor. Okay, he weighs your vegetables. He weighs the fruits. The small black, very heavy weights will be there. No, that is also called as weights. And weight, W-A-I-T, weight. You say no, wait. When a teacher is about to erase the board, you say, wait ma'am, I'm still writing. That weight, W-A-I-T, weight. Weight is stop. Bare, B-A-R-E. Bare is nothing but empty. Okay, nothing. Bare is nothing. B-E-A-R, bear. This is animal bear. B-E-A-R is animal bear, is what you find in the forest and zoos. Next, gait. G-A-I-T, gait. So what do you mean by gait? It's a manner of walking. Okay, it's a way of walking in a particular pattern. That is called as gait. Okay, a manner of walking in a particular pattern is called as gait. And what about this gate? G-A-T, gate. It's the gates what you have to your house. No, you open and close the gate. That gate, G-A-T. Okay. Next, toe. Okay, toe is door. Next, weight. W-A-I-T, weight. Same thing. Okay. You say, wait, mummy, I'm coming. That weight. And weight is the weights, heavy weights. Okay. That is called as weight. So you understood, no children? See all these words. Wood, fair, plain, weight, bear, gate, toe, hair, no, tail, not, weight. These are all, they sound similar, okay? These two words, you pronounce it in the same way. But the spellings of the words and the meanings of those words are totally different. Such words are called as homophones. Okay children, I hope it's clear. Come, let's do some more exercises. Okay, fill in the blanks by choosing the correct word from the brackets. No one should kill a dash. It's D-E-A-R or D-E-R. What is it? It's D-E-E-R. Deer. Next, my brother loves to swim in the dash. S-E-A or S-E-E-C? Which C is correct? S-E-A-C. The other C is looking, seeing. The dash failed and the bus ran into a lamp post. B-R-A-K-E. You have to write B-R-A-K-E. B-R-E-A-K is what? Braking stuff. Okay, B-R-A-K is the brakes. So brakes what you have in your vehicle. Next, turn to page number 74. This almirah is made of dash, wood. So it's W-O-O-D, wood. W-O-U-L-D is the question what you ask. Would you do this for me? You'll ask no. That would. The sole of my right shoe is worn out. Okay. S-O-U-L is soul, the Atma. Okay. S-O-L-E is the sole on your shoes. Inside your shoes you'll have one layer of the piece, no extra piece, one layer you'll have, no, you can take it off and put it back. Yes, that particular piece is called as sole. Can you hear me? Here, this here. Okay, so you have to write H-E-A-R. Mother Teresa was given Nobel Prize for peace. You have to write P-E-A-C-E, peace. That is only peace. That means it's being quiet, okay, calm. The other piece is small pieces, that piece. My father received a mail from his office. You have to write M-A-I-L. Okay, M-A-L-E is for boys, you say. Okay, for boys, or for man, you say male. Okay, for the man, men, boys, them, for them you use male. And M-A-I-L is the emails what they send. The plane flew over the city before landing. P-L-A-I-N, the plane. I say no, plane, sheet, that. P-L-A-N-E is the aeroplane. Our school won the football match. W-O-N, you have to write W-O-N-1. O-N-E-1 is number 1, that. Okay, complete this properly, children. Okay, next. In these sentences, one word is spelled wrongly. Underline the word and write its correct spelling. So, word is spelled wrongly. Okay, you have to replace it with the right spelling. There is a hole at the bottom. Is this the hole what you use? No, you don't use W-H-O-L-E. You use H-O-L-E. Okay, so they have done first one for us. Next, the dog spoiled the carpet with his dirty feet. F-E-A-T. Is that the spelling of the feet? No, it's F-E-E-T. This feet is different. Help me to write this letter, please. R-I-D-G-H-T. Is this the spelling what you have to write? No, you have to write W-R-I-T. This is the right side, that. So the sentence will become wrong if you write this right. You have to write this right. The meeting began at 6 o'clock. Meeting. This meat is the meat. Okay. The meat what you eat, chicken, mutton, that meat. Okay. You have to write M-E-E-T, meat, meeting. What is the train fare from Delhi to Kolkata? F-A-I-R, fare. No, you're not supposed to write that fare. Okay, that fare also makes how fair are you, how white you are, or how fair you are. Okay. So this is not that fair. You have to write F-A-R-E. The school building is to our right. Okay. W-R-I-T. Is this the correct one? So you have to write R-I-G-H-T, right. We bought these shoes at the sale. S-A-I-L. Is that what S-A-I-L? No, you have to write S-A-L-E, sale. Sale is the exhibition kind of a thing. Now, finish this name. Okay. Now, the next one. Underline the correct words given within brackets. Can you see? S-E-E-C, the S-E-A-C. I-W-R-I-T, right, with my R-I-G-H-T, right hand. The P-A-L-E, pale boy, carried a P-I-L, pail of water. A flock of sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep, are on the ship, S-H-I-P, ship. I won, W-O-N, won, a prize when I was in class 1, O-N-E, 1. Their house is over there, T-H-E-I-R and T-H-E-R-E. So, complete this also. This may also properly, children. Okay. Next. Given below are 6 pairs of homophones. Find out the difference between the 2 words of each pair and make sentences with them. One has been done for you. So, this is make your own sentences. Hair. Her hair is long and straight. Hair. The hare jumped into the bushes and ran away. Same way, you can also write your own sentences, or you can write the same sentences what I have written. Okay? Write. This is writing. I like to write on the board. Right, R-I-G-H-T, your right side. I can say the right answer. Fair. We went to a fair. Fair. What is the, bus fare from Delhi to Goa. What is the bus fare from Delhi to Goa? Question mark. Hole. There is a hole in the wall. Hole. I ate a whole cake. Here, I can hear you. Here, I am here. Blue, she is wearing a blue dress. Blue, he blew a big balloon. Blue. You blow balloon, no? That is blue. Past tense of blow is blue. Okay? So clear, children? Complete this. Okay? So this completes our chapter English 2 lesson 8 homophones. So we have completed that Sem 2 English 2 grammar part. Okay? So I hope you all understood what are homophones, right? I just give a small recap. Homophones are nothing but the words which we pronounce the same. Okay? But the spellings and the meanings are totally different. Such words are called as homophones. Okay? So kindly go through the textbook, complete your textbook exercises part. If there is any doubt, please ask me in the interactive session. Okay, children? Thank you. Take care.